Pakistan has charged prominent Baloch rights activist Mahrang Baloch and several other activists of terrorism. That is after she led the protest against the illegal arrest and illegal police remand of the relatives of the victims of enforced disappearances. Mahrang, who leads Baloch BYC Committee, or BYC, is currently lodged in Quetta district jail along with 150 others after the brutal crackdown on the Baloch leaders at their protest camp. Now, according to local media reports, the charges on the protesters cover offences like terrorism, murder and attempted murder, incitement to violence and rebellion, creating disorder and promoting racial hatred and property damage. Mahrang's sister, Asma Baloch, has alleged that the police are not letting her family meet Mahrang. They are also not allowed to deliver food and other essential items to her. Human rights organization Amnesty International called for Mahrang's release in a post on X on Sunday, stating that she had been unlawfully detained for over 38 hours. Mahrang Baloch is one of Pakistan's most prominent human rights advocates and the organizer of Baloch BYC Committee, a human rights group. Mahrang has long campaigned against oppression of the Baloch ethnic group by the Pakistani state. Her protests have highlighted forced disappearances of Baloch activists. She has featured in the BBC 100 Women and Times 100 Next list. Earlier this month, she was nominated for the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize. Over the last decade, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan province have reported the highest number of incidents of forced disappearances in Pakistan. According to a report by Pakistan Commission of Inquiry on Enforced Disappearances, at least 10,078 such cases were reported between 2011 and last year. And for more details, our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik has sent us this report from Karachi.
Well, over 48 hours since her arrest, Dr. Mahrang Baloch has been charged under 3 counts by the District Administration of Quetta. She currently is lodged in the Quetta jail along with over 100 Baloch rights activists. The Pakistani administration say that she has been charged on counts with regards to incitement to violence and anti-terrorism laws as well. Meanwhile, Dr. Mahrang's family say that they were briefly allowed to see her for a few minutes, and they complain of the family not being given access to Dr. Mahrang Baloch. Anas Malik in Karachi, Pakistan for WION, World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.